A lot of homeowners ask this question: how do I know if it's ready to replace or repair my windows? A replacement and a repair on a window can look very different. If your window is hard to operate, if there's condensation between the glass, or if they're just outdated, you can either get them repaired or replaced. At Unified, we're here to help you make that decision. Some of the key concerns that homeowners see on their windows is if it's leaking, if there's condensation between the glass, if the framing is rotted, or if you're just hearing a lot of outside noise. Most of these issues aren't going to be able to be repaired. There are a few clear signs that indicate a window replacement is going to be needed. A repair can mostly be done when the mechanics inside of the window aren't working properly, whether that be the balance system or one of the other system or components within the window. Depending on the age of the window, those components may still be around, or they may be outdated or not available anymore. It's best to always have us come out, take a look at the window, assess if it can be repaired or if it needs to be replaced. If you're noticing one or more of these issues on your window, give us a call. We'll come out, we'll assess your window and let you know if it's ready for a replacement window or if it's something that can be repaired.